to make coconut milk and aloe vera mask at home for hair growth. To make this mask, you will need the following ingredients: 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, a bunch of tulsi, holy basil, leaves, and a shower cap. Directions: blend the coconut milk, aloe vera gel, and a handful of holy basil, tulsi, leaves to a thick, smooth paste. Now, massage this paste onto your scalp and work it through your hair from the roots to the tips. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Then, cover your hair with the shower cap to avoid a mess. Later, rinse the paste with lukewarm water. For best results, you have to repeat this method once or twice a week. Aloe vera can help prevent hair loss and boost hair growth. It also maintains scalp health and treats dandruff and irritation. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.